So I got this Fego float, this Pillion Trader edition. It cost around 900 Indian rupees, and this is the product that we got from directly from the Fego Floats website. Sorry about this. There you go. This is the product, and we're gonna fix this on my Pulsar RS200. So let's get these things done. So I've already removed my back seat. So this is the back seat of the Pulsar RS200, and this is the Fego Float Pillion version. So let's get started with fixing it. We have steps on both sides. We have to fix like this, one step at a time. One step on the back side. Just push it on the corners so that it gets fixed up easily. Push this, and if you have other strap, pulled right away. You can adjust your straps according to your convenience. There's a small elastic pin around here on both sides as well, over here. So let's fix this Fego Float Pillion edition onto my Pulsar RS200. So I guess I've already unbuckled my seat, so let's fix this. It's the same procedure as we fixed the normal regular seat. Just push it to your particular thing, and that's it. So this is how it looks on top as well. The material use is really good. We have this mesh kind of thing on the top side, and bottom we have this leather kind of finish, and overall I must say it's a good product. So this product is going to be really useful for the Pillion who goes for long distance travels like Ladakh, Leh, and more than 100 kilometers. I used to travel a lot of travels daily, like 100 kilometers per day. So this is going to be really helpful and most practical seat for me, in my personal opinion. So thanks for watching this. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and please share this, subscribe, and help us growing this channel. Thank you.